if you have received your Fomo Store laptop skin, relax, we've got you covered. Before we begin, make sure you're working in a well-lit area with bright lighting for the best result. What's in the package? Based on your selection, your package will include the top lid skin or the top lid and Keypad area skin. You'll also receive a cleaning kit that contains a dust absorber, wet wipes, a microfiber cloth. Installing the top lid skin. Start by cleaning the laptop's top lid with the wet wipe provided. Dry the surface using the microfiber cloth. Use the dust absorber to remove any remaining dust particles. Now let's begin the installation. Don't worry, if your exact laptop model isn't shown, this method works for most of the models. Peel off the hinge bar skin and align it with the bottom edge of your laptop's lid near the hinges. Gently press it into place. If it's misaligned, you can lift and reposition it. Just avoid stretching the skin. Now, peel off the main top lid skin from the release paper and flip it upside down as shown in the video. Reattach the skin to the backing paper, leaving about half an inch gap at the top and right side. Align the top lid skin carefully with your laptop. Once perfectly aligned, press down gently on the exposed area. If it is misaligned, you can lift and reposition it. Just avoid stretching the skin. Slowly slide down the backing paper diagonally 1 to 2 inches at a time and press the exposed skin section firmly. Repeat this process until the full skin is applied. Installing the keypad and palm rest skin. There are two types of keypad skins depending on your model. A full skin. Peel off the touchpad area skin, align it as shown and press it gently. Don't worry if you touch the adhesive, this is a premium vinyl that retains its stickiness even after handling. Peel off the full keypad and palm rest skin. Flip it upside down and partially reattach it to the release paper. Align it carefully and press down the exposed part. Then just like before, slide down the backing paper 1 to 2 inches at a time, pressing firmly as you go. Great, you're done with the full skin model. Now separate cutouts. Start with the touchpad skin. Peel, align and press gently. Next, apply the palm rest skin. Start from the bottom right corner and align slowly. If needed, lift and realign gently to avoid stretching the material. Finally, install the keypad skin. Peel it off, flip it, partially reattached and align as shown. Press the exposed area gently, then shift the backing paper down an inch or two at a time, pressing down until it's fully applied. That's it. Your laptop now looks stunning with your Fomo Store skin. Thank you for choosing Fomo Store.